Making money trading can be a lucrative way to earn a living, but it's important to understand that trading involves risks and requires a certain level of skill and knowledge. Here are some tips and strategies to help you make money trading. 1. Educate yourself. The first step in making money trading is to educate yourself about the market you want to trade in. This means understanding the fundamentals of the market, including supply and demand, market trends, and other key factors that can impact the value of assets. 2. Choose a trading platform. There are many trading platforms available, and it's important to choose one that is reliable, user-friendly, and offers the tools and features you need to trade effectively. Some popular trading platforms include eToro, Coinbase, and Robinhood. 3. Develop a trading strategy. A trading strategy is a set of rules and guidelines that you follow when making trades. Your strategy should take into account your risk tolerance, investment goals, and the current market conditions. Some popular trading strategies include day trading, swing trading, and long-term investing. 4. Manage your risk. Trading involves risks, and it's important to manage your risk carefully to avoid significant losses. One way to do this is by setting stop-loss orders, which automatically close out a trade when it reaches a certain price point. 5. Keep track of your trades. It's important to keep track of your trades so that you can analyze your performance and make adjustments to your trading strategy as needed. This can help you identify patterns and trends in your trading and make more informed decisions in the future. 6. Stay disciplined. Trading requires discipline and patience, and it's important to stick to your trading strategy even when the market is volatile. Avoid making impulsive trades or letting your emotions dictate your decisions. 7. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key to managing risk and maximizing your returns. This means investing in a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and cryptocurrencies, rather than putting all of your money into a single asset. By following these tips and strategies, you can increase your chances of making money trading. However, it's important to remember that trading involves risks, and you should never invest more than you can afford to lose.